skin. See, we get to the end, but that's where we begin. You feel it? Mannequins and we breaking the mold, breaking out and we breaking the codes.